Motherfucker be hooking it up. One more. Damn. Ooh. What do you got in there? Let's see. I'm still trying to catch up to the... Hey, look out, y'all hit that like button. All my TikTokers. TikTokers, I ain't got number 10% left for y'all. So y'all need to come on over here to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, where it's in HD and widescreen. Okay, I'm gonna hit you up, Rob, one time. What? Appreciate that Power Stroke Syndicate. Damn. 3 times now. I ain't seen no 4 times. Look out, look out.
What you gonna take it?
Boom. Already, appreciate it. I think I want that left side. They got a little noise to it. I'm gonna message them Limited Cricket. Appreciate that. Oh, Demonology in here? All right, guys. Demonology's in the building. I wonder what he eat today.
40.
Oh shit, so he's... Dang. Oh, my little old stomach. Already, man, I'll holler at you in a minute, man. Yeah, I got a race Saturday at XRP, I think.
That big slip, man.
That vet don't never do one burnout, man.
Man, the nigga red like that.
He don't never do one burnout. He don't never do. He ain't never ran. Damn near running to the wall.
That vet a red light motherfucking head.
No, he don't.
He don't do red light. He do red light.
You know he don't.
Right there. That bitch a 1 valve.
Let me see. Look out, look out. Let me go back here. Yeah, dile tu tío and tío. Oh, you did the tía too? You did the tía too? Okay, he done told his tía.
Pilas.
Pilas.
Para venir a las pinches carreras.
Pinches carreras, that's cars, y'all. He said he told his auntie about the fucking cars. I just went out to eat with Demonology a couple days ago. He know how to eat, boy. He be getting extra sauce and all kind of shit. Yeah, I told my tia too.
A la pinche tía, güey, para que corra más esa pinche troca, güey.
Pinche troca? Sí.
Badass.
Badass, yeah, sí quema, que. Sí quema.
Puro troqueando, que.
Puro troqueanda, que. Puro troqueanda. I'm still learning Spanish. 20 to 10. 20 to 10. Look, Diamond a nice girl.
Who are these people?
Yeah, they know you. Yeah, they know you.
Somebody DM me from your thing.
Oh yeah, they know you. Okay, right line for the win. man, damn. I was hoping that he wouldn't do that. God damn. Yeah, he got out of it or something, man. Dude turned the hazards on and then lost.
Too soon, Junior.
Too soon, Junior. All right, y'all, we got Cali converters down there for sale, man. Y'all got these new cars, Camaros, Dodges, or whatever. You putting them headers on. You want to have somewhere to sell your converters to? Boom, bottom right-hand corner. Look out, look out. We got them fat snacks. Y'all get hungry. Y'all can check them out. Got the sticky pickle. They on Facebook too. Keep them tires sticky down there while you on racing on the street. That's right, sticky pickle. Good street additive. They don't need no lube. See, y'all need some systems done. 212s, amp speakers, professionally installed with a shop that can give you a 60-day warranty. I think, yeah, stereos on, man. They hooking up alarm. That's why I get all my alarms hooked up at remote start. That's why I get my remote start at, man. When you get up there, just say look out, and they look out sent you, man. Right lane dragging them. Yeah, they got bull horns, car alarms, all that. Shout out to Mac Daddy's Pro Line Hand Cleaner. Keeping them hands clean. Yeah, you don't want to get none of that Gojo with the petroleum. They got Mac Daddies with the non-petroleum. You got what to do, bad? Rapid Transit want to sell his cats here in Florida.
Like smoking tires.
AKA Wild Thing. You make my heart sing.